Welcome today. We're making jalapeno popper potato salad, where all the ingredients have a lot to say. Let's meet them.
Hey there, I'm Yukon Gold, your dependable potato. I'm creamy, I'm solid, and I've got the bulk of the job. Without me, this salad wouldn't even exist.
Hey, I'm Jalapeño, and I'm here to bring the heat. Don't worry, I'm not too spicy. Just enough to give this salad a little kick.
What's up, everybody? Bacon's in the house. You know I'm the crunchy, smoky one. You'll love the bite I add to this.
Hello, darling. I'm Cheddar, the smooth, melty guy who's always a hit. I make things creamy, cheesy, and just a little more irresistible.
And I'm Green Onion. I bring that crisp, fresh pop of color and flavor at the end. I'm the cherry on top, literally.
Let's start with the potatoes. Cut the potatoes into even 1-inch cubes.
Time to get cozy in this pot of water. Boil me up for about 10 to 12 minutes until I'm nice and tender, but don't overdo it. I don't like being mushy.
While the potatoes are boiling, let's get to the bacon and jalapeños.
All right, time to get sliced and diced. I've got some seeds in me, but if you want less heat, go ahead and remove them. I'm spicy, but I'm not a monster.
Ah, that's the sound of perfection. Sizzling away and getting crispy. Watch me. I'm about to become the crunch that takes this salad to the next level.
Now, let's make the creamy dressing to tie everything together. Mix mayo, sour cream, mustard, and a bunch of spices. Garlic powder, onion powder, paprika. Time to bring everything together. Drain your potatoes and add the jalapeños, bacon, cheddar, and that creamy dressing.
Here I am, still strong and creamy, ready to meet my spicy friends.
And there you have it, your jalapeño popper, potato salad with the perfect balance of creamy, spicy, smoky, and crunchy flavors.
And now here I come, fresh, crunchy, and ready to top this off with a pop of color.
Delicious.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more tasty, fun recipes.